Today our topic is reciprocal of a rational number. We will do worksheet 4 of the chapter 2. First we will know about the meaning of reciprocal. To get the reciprocal of a given rational number, simply interchange the integer in the numerator and in the denominator. Means if we are taking the reciprocal of any rational number, suppose I am taking the reciprocal, the rational number is 4 by 5, then what is the reciprocal of 4 by 5? It is rational number, and we will take the reciprocal of 4 by 5, that will be interchange the integer in the numerator and in the denominator. Change the interchange. Denominator is 5, so it will become the numerator, and numerator is 4, will become the denominator. So they will be interchange. Okay, so this is the reciprocal of a rational number. Now remember some points. Zero has no reciprocal, means zero का कोई reciprocal नहीं होता. If you will take the reciprocal of zero, so 0 will be in the denominator, and when 0 will in the denominator, it will be the not exist form. Okay. Second is reciprocal of 1 is 1. 1 का reciprocal 1. Third is if x is any non-zero reciprocal, and then the reciprocal of x denoted by x power is negative 1. Okay. We can say it x inverse. And how to write it? 1 by x. This is equal to 1 by x. 1 by x is a reciprocal of x. On this concept, we will solve the worksheet 4. Question number first, find the reciprocal of these. Reciprocal of 1 minus 1 by 5 is 5 by minus 1, and we can write this as minus 5. Reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. Reciprocal of 11 by minus 12 is minus 12 by 11. क्या किया हमने? Interchange the integer in the numerator and in the denominator. Okay, इनको interchange कर दिया. Right? Now, reciprocal of minus 2 by minus 19 is minus 19 by minus 2. Now, the second question is, check if the reciprocal of minus 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay, how to check it? If we will check that any number is a reciprocal of other number, we will multiply these numbers. If the multiplication is 1, then we will say that these are the reciprocal of each other. If it is not equal to 1, then we will say that no, they are not reciprocal of each other. Okay, so in question number 2, we have to check that reciprocal of minus 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. आपको ये चेक करना है कि इस नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल ये है. सो आप इनकी मल्टीप्लाई करवा दो. ठीक है, और आफ्टर कैंसलेशन अगर आपका 1 आ जाता है, सो दे विल बी रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ईच अदर. ओके, अदरवाइज नॉट. So when you will multiply these numbers, मतलब number and reciprocal of the number, after multiplication should be 1. Okay, so cancel it. 2 1 2, 2 1 2, 3 1 3, 3 1 3. This is equal to minus 1, not equal to, this is equal to minus 1, not equal to 1. Okay, this is minus 1, not equal to 1. So we will say that minus 2 by 3 is not a reciprocal of 3 by 2. Now next question, question number 3. We have to check that the reciprocal of minus 1 by 5 is minus 5. So we will multiply these numbers. 5 to 5 cancel, negative multiply negative is positive, and 1 is left here. Okay, so 1 is equal to 1. So in this case, yes, we will write 1 minus 1 by 5 is a reciprocal of minus 5. But in this case, we will say no, this is not a reciprocal of 3 by 2. The next question number 4, verify x minus y negative power is not equal to x negative power 1 minus y negative power 1, और you can say that inverse, आप इसको inverse भी बोल सकते हैं, reciprocal भी बोल सकते हैं और negative power भी बोल सकते हैं. Okay, so we have to prove this is not equal to this, where the value of x is equal to minus 2 by 7 and y is equal to 4 by 7. Okay, so we will verify it. To verify this question, we will take the left and the right side this equation, x minus y inverse and x inverse minus y inverse, or you can say the reciprocal. Okay, x minus y reciprocal, x reciprocal minus y reciprocal. Okay, so put the value of x and y. Value of x is equal to minus 2 by 7 minus 4 by 7 reciprocal. First we will solve the bracket, then we will take the reciprocal. LCM is 7. Now solve the numerator. Minus 2 minus 4. This is equal to minus 6 by 7. Now take the reciprocal. It will be the integers in the numerator and denominator will interchange. Okay, 7 by minus 7. ये आपका reciprocal हो गया. And we will write in the standard form with the denominator positive, minus 7 by 6. Now we will solve the right hand side. Minus 2 by 7 inverse minus 4 by 7 reciprocal. Okay, we will solve this reciprocal. इस reciprocal को आप solve करेंगे. Okay, 7 by minus 2 minus 7 by 4. Now convert into the denominator positive, 7 minus 7 by 2 minus 7 by 4. Take the LCM. LCM is 4. Minus 14 minus 7 after solving it. Minus 21 by 4. You can see that these are not equal to each other. Hence, this is verified. Question number 5 is same as the question number 4. There is the difference of the sign only. There is negative sign and there is positive sign. Okay. We will solve similarly as like the question number. Now we will solve the question number 6. We have to verify this property, x multiply y inverse, x inverse multiply y inverse. Okay, put the value of x minus 2 by 3 multiply minus 3 by 4 reciprocal, minus 2 by 3 reciprocal multiply minus 3 by 4 reciprocal. Okay, now solve it. 3 to 3 cancel, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, negative multiply negative positive, it is 1 by 2 reciprocal. First solve the bracket. Now we will take it the reciprocal. This will be 3 by minus 2 multiply 4 by minus 3. 3 to 3 cancel, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. 2 and negative multiply negative, denominator में 1. 2 by 1 we can write it 2. Okay, and take the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 1. Now we can see that the left is equal to right side, hence it is verified. So by the question we have understand that in subtraction and multiplication, reciprocal will not be open to the individual numbers, but in the multiplication it will be open. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ये इक्वल टू आया था कि अगर आप इंडिविजुअल का भी रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं और ये कंप्लीट का भी आप रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं तो वो इक्वल होंगे. ओके, नाउ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. द नंबर डैश हैज नो रेसिप्रोकल. विच नंबर? 0. 0 का कोई रेसिप्रोकल नहीं होता. ओके, and dash are their own reciprocal. 1 and 1 are their own reciprocals. If A is the reciprocal of B, then B is the reciprocal of A. Means कोई नंबर अगर A B का reciprocal है तो B A का हो जाएगा. एक दूसरे के वो inverse हो जाते हैं. Okay. Now 11 multiply 5 inverse और we can say reciprocal is equal to, means multiplication पे ये reciprocal open हो जाता है. 11 reciprocal multiply 5 reciprocal. Minus 1 by 8 multiply by which number? The answer is 1. So we will multiply by minus 8. Okay, minus 8. Which number will multiply with this? First solve this number. 5 3s are 6, 15, 15 1, 16 by 3. This is number 16 by 3. और मल्टीप्लाई करके 1 आना चाहिए, मतलब इसका हमने रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तभी आपका 1 आएगा, जैसे यहाँ किया था। -1/8 का रेसिप्रोकल -8 और उन दोनों की मल्टीप्लीकेशन 1. So similarly we will do here. We will take the reciprocal of this number in the multiplication, then we will get 1. What the reciprocal of this? After solving, this is 16 by 3 and reciprocal of this is -3 by 16. Okay, since it is negative there. Okay, this is complete. Now do it.